Hello everyone, today I bring to you another exciting recipe. This is called Obe. It's a Yoruba food and it's made with pepper, tomatoes and onions with palm oil. So you're welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved that food or that recipe, kindly watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of making Obe, and I'm also going to show you the tips and tricks to achieve the perfect obe. They also call it Obe Ata or light stew for eating ewedu. So let us begin. You're going to chop the onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, kochibone and chili peppers. To add everything to a blender, and we're going to blend it very smooth. We're going to achieve a very smooth puree. So just like the name implies, the most essential ingredients for this recipe are the peppers. Obe Ata means peppered soup. That's the literally English translation. It's a Yoruba language, and this recipe has its origin amongst the Yoruba people. So this is me opening the bell pepper to remove the seed and then blend the other parts. This pepper is called tatashe in Yoruba market. So if you live in Lagos, Ogun State, Ibadan, this is what they call tatashe. Then the other long ones is called shombo, but we call it chili peppers. So I'm just going to chop everything into tiny bits and then add it to the blender and blend into a very smooth puree. I'm going to show you the consistency you need, so just watch to the end. So guys, you see the way it's very smooth and watery, not very thick and not watery. This is what you need. So the most important thing you should note in this recipe is that we are not frying the tomatoes with oil. Rather, you are going to pour in the oil. Normally the oil is not supposed to be this light, but my oil was sleeping, so I had to heat it up to wake up. That's why it's light. So just use your normal room temperature palm oil and then add it and stir very well. So you've been stirring for a while now. This is about 15 minutes and it's still boiling. So I noticed it's getting too thick and that sour taste of tomatoes has not left it, so I added more water. This step is step you should take note. The Obe Ata is not meant to be fried, rather it's meant to be boiled until it's fully done. So to cook this soup to this consistency took me about 40 minutes of boiling. So this is the results we have. Some people usually add tomato paste, but I don't want it. So right now it's time to add the ingredients to it because we are almost there. It's almost ready. So this is called locust beans or iru. So I'm just going to add some iru, and then I'm also going to use crayfish seasoning, and then crayfish powder, grounded crayfish, and then a little bit of salt because the iru was preserved with salt, so you don't need too much salt, but you should taste it at this stage if you need more. And if you have meat stock or fish stock to add, you can also add, but not much of it. So this is the consistency we're looking for. I'm just going to allow it to still boil for some time before adding whatever protein I'm going to add. So it's been about 10 more minutes. I'm just going to add in the cow skin and then some smoked fish. But if you had chicken, turkey, goat meat, bokoto, whatever protein of your choice, add everything at this stage and allow it to boil for another 10 to 15 minutes and it's ready. So delicious and very easy to make. It goes very well with ewedu and amala. That's the normal way of eating it. So this fufu swallow, you can see I made it using fresh plantain. That's normal green plantain. That's what I used to make it. So kindly check my videos if you want to see how I made it. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, and this is Borders the Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe.